Hey, what's going on? Welcome to Junkyard Dog. So check this out, guys. It's been a while since I posted a video. To be honest with you, somebody stole my camera, broke into my shop and stole my camera. So I haven't been able to give you guys the updates that I wanted to. So we're just gonna do a real quick video today, just kind of get something going. What we're gonna be looking for is Flowmaster mufflers or performance mufflers in general. So yeah, man, we're just gonna dig through some of these cars, see if we can find some mufflers, and I'll show you how to take them out, and then you take them to a muffler shop and have them weld them in. That's if you don't know how to weld yourself. All right, so we're gonna pull up here to the Ford section, and we're gonna find some Flowmasters. Okay, so we located a 5.0. Looks a little bit older than the one that I'm working on, but it does have the 5.1. Still got the motor in it. It's missing the intake and the throttle body, but whatever. We're here for Flowmasters today because you don't want to spend $200 on some mufflers. And look what we got here, some Flowmasters. Now, biggest thing about these, you want to make sure that they're still usable by checking to see how that horrible welding job right there. Oh my gosh, they just caked that on. It's a nightmare. Don't know if I really want to deal with this, especially since they didn't put the car on the proper mounts. So this could possibly be a problem. And whoever had this removed the cats. So that pipe is actually worth a little something. It's an H pipe. So yeah, man. But we'll keep looking. See if we find something better. If not, we'll come back. Okay. So we got a white Mustang. Looked like it was an accident. This black one here. Let's check this. See if we got any Flowmasters under here. And we do. And it's nice and high off the ground, easy to get to. Actually, really easy to get to. All right, guys. So what I did in this particular situation, Flowmasters are good for increasing exhaust flow. They actually do give you just like a little bit more horsepower. I mean, I wouldn't, make this like a super horsepower thing. It's just more about sound and getting a nice growl. It's a real old school sound, works really well with Mustangs. So what you want to do is you want to buy you a pipe cutter. This is a real simple tool. I got this from Summit Racing, and basically you just take it, you wrap it around the pipe, and then you squeeze the wrench here, and then you just twist back and forth until it comes out. Alright, so basically that's how you mount it, the tool. And then you squeeze here and then you just twist back and forth. Okay, keep doing that until she comes loose. And it'll eventually cut it. It takes a minute, but it's it's not jarring, it's really easy. And yeah, man, let's just hope that these Flowmasters aren't full of rust. Looks like this car was in an accident, so that's why it's here. If they're full of rust, we just gotta check the inside. So sometimes it's a gamble, guys, but hey, I think it's worth it to save some Flowmasters from the crusher. You gotta see the point where this pipe goes through. Then you just go ahead and release it. The way it works is you open up the jaw, take it off, and it makes a nice clean cut. Okay. Now it's not gonna come loose all the way because this side's still attached, so let's get the cutting on that side. Pipe with the tool. Now here's the most important part, guys. You gotta look inside here to see if, and as we can see here, there's absolutely no chambers left in here. It has been completely rusted out. And these Flowmasters are junk. That's how you can tell. Usually there'll be like a wall there with an opening or something, but these do not. So this is just really just a hollow, empty case. There is nothing beneficial to this at all. This car is probably loud as hell, sounded like crap. Most likely what happened when they ate it out like that is it was burning a little water, and as a lot of Mustangs do, water gets in the system, condensation, it gets into the exhaust pipes and then just eats these Flowmasters out. So these are probably really, really old, at least 10, 15 years old. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and leave them and try to find another prospect. Since the Flowmasters we went to go check were bad, they were completely rusted out on the inside. So let me show you. We found one, we already cut it. Let me show you what it looks like on the inside when you find one that's usable, okay? The only thing you should see in there is carbon deposits. See how it's got that chamber right there? Okay. That was the person that took care of their motor. Alright? Cool. So we're gonna cut this one out. Somebody has been kind enough to already halfway take out the other one. I think they were taking the rear end out or something, so we're just gonna cut that one loose and take these to the front and pick them up. Okay. Okay, so there you have it. You got two authentic Flowmaster mufflers. These are not knockoffs. Flowmasters. And we found it in one of our beloved 5.0 Mustangs. Looks like somebody got rear-ended. He got slammed up pretty bad. They ended up junking the car. See the rear end's in there. Might come back and get that another time. But yeah, this little tool right here cost me 20 bucks from Summit Racing. Gotta be some Flowmasters. Let's see how much we gotta pay for these at the gate before I praise them up too much. Alright guys, so yeah, we pulled our Flowmasters out. Got them from a 5.0 Mustang. Looks like an 88 or 89. And yeah, dude, we paid a grand total of 35 bucks for it, man. 35.42. So we're looking at like, you know, 16, 17 bucks each. A lot of people paid, you know, 100 bucks for a pair. So yeah, man, we came up. Junkyard dogging. So yeah, as you can see in the back of the truck, we got this aluminum dry shaft from Police Interceptor. I'm going to do an episode on that, so you guys get kind of hip on that. We got an old Center Force clutch here. We got a T5. This is a non-world class. We got the GT40 intake that's picked up and some GT40 heads. So you know, the truck, man, it's going to work. It's going to work. All right, junkyard dogging. It's a really hot day out here today. I just wanted to mention one more thing before we close out. These prices were only for 40% off sale. LKQ parts are really, really expensive. So, in my opinion, the best junkyard to go to get really good prices, you can also find Flowmasters, is U-Pick Parts. And they're on Alameda and I think like 83rd or whatnot. Just look them up. U-Pick Parts. Got a big old car on the roof of the main building. And that's where I did my first episode. So yeah, when you guys check that out, man, I'm telling you, they got the best prices. It's like half off sale there, like every day, pretty much. But their half off is like regular price. You know what I mean? So yeah, check them out. U-Pick Parts, man. And yeah, dude, junkyard dog. Let's get back to it. All right.